Okay.
Yeah, you
So
don't
I
need
definitely need a key for that one, or I need that damn thing drilled out.
Okay, so you need to gain access and no key for it.
Yeah.
All
Or
right.
make it where it doesn't need a key. That's fine too.
I'm gonna get you a key. Don't worry about it. Got you. All right, let me.
Can you make it to the key that has the front door? To the front door. So if you can make it that, then I don't have to track more keys.
Perfect.
Call 839-205-6751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South Carolina.
She good.
Perfect.
Yep.
All good.
Go ahead.
It's great that it's on.
Sideways. That way. Yep.
Call 839-205-6751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South Carolina.